What's up everybody, Mario here with GangFX, and today I'm going to show you how you can add the GangFX gang sheet builder directly to your website. Now, not only can you set this up on your Shopify or your website, you also get a dedicated link that's specific to your business that you can send to your customers so that way they can build their gang sheets outside of your website. So this is the way that it works and how you can set yours up. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is register with GangFX. Just go ahead and go to gangfx.com. The link to it is going to be down in the description below, and sign up for free. Then once you're signed in, you're going to click over here where it says business on the top tab, and then you're going to choose either your monthly or your yearly plan. Monthly is going to be $99.97 and yearly is going to be $999.97, and you do get an unlimited amount of gang sheet exports. As I was editing this, I realized I didn't mention you also have all of the benefits that you get from the Pro AI plan. So you have access to all of the regular GangFX features, along with 50 credits a month that you can use for all of the effects and everything that we have on the site. Those effects and the credits will be applied really only to your personal account directly on the website. So just so you know, the gang sheet builder that goes on the website does not have effects or any of that extra stuff. So if in a month you have 1,000 gang sheet orders, you're not going to have to upgrade your plan or anything. You're going to be able to export every single one of those gang sheets without a problem. Now, once you do sign up and you go back to the store tab, you are going to be greeted with the setup page. So all you're going to do is set up your business profile. All you have to do is simply just set your business name. So let's say GangFX, and then you're also going to gain access to a custom link. Now, this custom link you can send to your customers and they can build their gang sheets and submit it that way as well. So you're not only limited to your Shopify store, you actually have your own dedicated link that you can send to your customer. And then your business name is going to be the same as your customer's link. So your business name is going to be on here. So it'll be something like gangfx.com/b/ in this case GangFX, but if we do, let's say Nyko Prints, my printing business, we have gangfx.com/b/Nyko-prints. Take off that space and you have just Nyko Prints. So we can go ahead and create the business profile. And this is going to be your orders dashboard. Whenever you get any orders, this is where you're going to see them. Now let's go to our settings page, because here we can go ahead and change our business name, and we can also upload a logo. Now this logo is going to show up on our customer side of things. You'll see it in just a second. Now here we have our sheet size options. So if you have different sizes that you offer, or if you offer specific sizes, you can adjust them on here. You can go ahead and delete any of these. You can add more sizes. Let's say we offer 30-inch by 24-inch. We can go ahead and do that here. Then again, we have our custom link that we can send directly to our customers. And we have the code that we're going to use to be able to use this gang sheet maker on our website. Whenever you do make any changes on here, whether it be your business name, your logo, or the different sheet sizes, always save your settings. And now when we click on view customer page, this is what our customers are going to see when they land on our link. And this is also what's going to show on our Shopify page or on our website. Now, via the regular link and on your website, the user can go ahead and upload their different images. They can choose the different sheet sizes that you set over here. So these are the two that we set, the 22 by 12 and the 30 by 24. They can also use the auto arrange button over here to arrange everything. They also have the option to show the margins. This is a 0.25 of an inch all around, and a background color, so they can see what it would look like on any different color background. Now, either way, regardless of whichever one of these colors that you choose, once the gang sheet is submitted, it's always going to be submitted without the colored background. So you don't have to worry about that. You're always going to receive it with a transparent background. Now, once your user is ready to submit their gang sheet, all they have to do is click on submit gang sheet, input their information. So test user. Gonna go ahead and put our email, submit gang sheet. And then your user is going to get this screen. It's going to have their order number, and it's going to have an option to download the preview. Now, it also automatically downloads, and when they receive it, they're going to receive it like this. It's going to be a lower 72 DPI version, along with a watermark down here. It has your store name along with the order number. Now, just so you know, these order numbers are all GangFX order numbers. Any payment that the user needs to do for the gang sheet or anything like that, that's going to be through your website like you've always done. So the way that this is going to work is the user gets the low quality image like this one, and then they upload it on your website, and then you can cross-reference that with your orders tab over here. Let's go ahead and refresh it. And here it is. Here we have the order that was just submitted. We have the order number, the test user, along with the email, the sheet size. You can change the status, whether it be pending, paid, completed, or canceled. And we can download the 300 DPI version of this without the watermark. So here I have both versions. This is the lower quality version. If we go to the image and check out the image size, we can see that it is 30 by 24 by 72. And then if we go to the one that you download from your dashboard, which is this one over here, click on image size, we have it by 30 by 24 with 300 as the resolution. If you zoom in, you can clearly see the quality difference. It's about the same. This one's actually zoomed in a little bit more. This is the one that you get from your dashboard, and this is the one that your customer gets. So that way they can't take that DTF they just made from your website and use it anywhere else because it's not going to print right. Also, whenever your user does submit it, you're going to receive an email just like that one, which is going to tell you all of the details of the order as well. Now, how do we add this to our website? Because I know a lot of you are already asking, hurry up and get to it. This is the most important part. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings page and you're going to click on over here. We're going to go ahead and click on copy embed code, or you can just simply highlight and copy. Then we're going to go to our Shopify dashboard. By the way, if you're not signed up for Shopify, you can sign up right now. Just go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. If you use that link, you're going to have a special promotional period of $1 each month for the next 3 months. Now, this promotion does change every once in a while. So if it's different by the time that you click it, you know why. But there's always some sort of promo going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up our Shopify store. We're going to click on online store over here, and then we're going to click on pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a gang sheet page, a gang sheet builder page. So you want to go ahead up here, click on add page. Let's title it gang sheet builder. And over here, we're going to click on show HTML. And then we're just going to paste in the code that we got from our GangFX dashboard. It's that simple. Just click on save. And now we're going to click on preview. So this is what it would look like. As you can see, it looks pretty much exactly the same as it does through the link that you get. It's just a little bit more squished because it needs to fit into your store or your website. But it works exactly the same. So they can upload their image over here. They can choose their different sheet sizes. They can scroll through it. You can adjust. And once it's submitted, test2 at gmail.com. You can go ahead and submit the gang sheet. We have our gang sheet that has been submitted, automatically downloaded. Oh, and one thing I did forget to mention, over here you can see you have your store name along with your logo. And that's pretty much it. Once we refresh our dashboard, we're gonna have our second test over here. Again, we can go ahead and mark this as complete if we want to, download our 300 DPI image, and that's all there is to it. If you do want to check out GangFX and you want to add it to your own website, make sure to go check out the link down in the description below. I'm going to have the direct link to GangFX on there, along with the promo link to Shopify as well. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with GangFX. I'll catch you all next time. Peace.